The board of directors at ABC Manufacturing is elevating the company's sustainability index in order to stay competitive in this changing marketplace. They have directed managers at all levels, from the C-suite to the production lines of their 6 facilities, to identify ways to improve cost efficiency, productivity, and resource management. Joe here is drafting a proposal on behalf of his EHS colleagues that they believe offers a solution to the board's goals. The data that he collects for EPA compliance reports, like TRI, can be used to benefit the company in many different ways. Joe, for example, uses it to improve the health and safety guidelines that keep ABC employees safe. The data we need to complete our compliance reports is valuable for more than just satisfying EPA regulatory requirements. The Toxic Release Inventory Report, for example, captures facility-level data pertaining to every stage in the production lifecycle, resource management, facility safety, vendors and supply chain, and waste management. It can help the company uncover new ways to satisfy the goals of ABC's board of directors. An investment in automated compliance reporting software would let ABC's EHS managers complete accurate compliance reports in a fraction of the time it takes us to do them manually on Excel. We're talking about days instead of weeks or months. That frees up EHS managers to assist executives in developing sustainability plans, improve and enforce facility occupational safety and health guidelines, and so much more. Just as accounting software is valuable for more than just filing taxes, automated EHS compliance software has benefits for companies outside of compliance reporting obligations. To learn more about how automated compliance reporting software can help your business succeed in all of its objectives, contact ERA today.